Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this fun and bright summer look. I'm going to start off with Murad's T-Zone Pore Refining Serum to prep my face. I love this as a primer because it helps reduce the appearance of my large pores and keeps my skin from getting too oily. I'm going to pump a very small amount to my fingertips because a little bit goes a long way. Go ahead and pat this product into your skin and avoid excessive rubbing. I'm going to pop in my circle lenses. These are going to help give my eyes a large doll-like effect. For my foundation, I'm mixing 2 shades of Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This product has a natural matte finish and is medium coverage. Also, if you're taking flash photography, it counters flashback. I would definitely recommend this product if you have oily skin and you're trying to ball on a budget. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and dab and blend in my foundation until it's seamless. Make sure to get your eyelids too, so that way you have a completely even finish. For my concealer, I'll be using Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Glow Concealer. This concealer is vitamin infused and helps give your skin a brighter, healthier complexion. I'm going to apply this where I would like to conceal and bring out certain features of my face, such as under my eyes to conceal my bags and bring out my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Taking a damp beauty blender once again, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my concealer. I'm going to set my face with Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Glow Setting Powder. This formula is moisturizing and very lightweight. It doesn't leave my skin feeling cakey and helps diffuse imperfections on my face. I'm going to layer it on where I tend to get most oily, which is under my eyes and my T-zone area. I'll then lightly sweep more of the product over my entire face. For my eyebrows, I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in Chocolate. This product is matte, waterproof, and buildable. I'm going to begin by lining the bottom and top 2/3 of my brow. I am now filling it in using hair-like strokes. I'll use heavier strokes in the tail and lighter strokes towards the start of my eyebrow. To make sure the lines aren't too harsh, I'm going to brush through my eyebrows with a clean spoolie. Now go ahead and clean up around my brows using the Covergirl concealer from earlier. Blend the concealer by pulling it down to your eye area. If desired, carve out the top of your brow and blend the concealer upwards. Using Urban Decay Primer Potion, I'm going to prep my eye for shadow. This will keep your makeup from creasing and help it last all day. It also helps bring out the color vibrancy of your eyeshadow. Pat the primer into your lid and avoid excessive tugging. Your eye area is very delicate and you shouldn't be too rough with it. I'll be using Juvia's Place Zulu palette for the majority of my look. The colors are vibrant and highly pigmented with little to no fallout. They're also buttery and very easy to blend. I'll start by taking a large blending brush and the Sunshine Yellow shade and place the color in my crease. I'll blend the shade upwards towards my brow until it's evenly distributed. Now taking this Tiger Orange shade, I'll take a blending crease brush and blend it into the previous color and along the outer V of my eye until it transitions nicely. Make sure to always continuously blend as you go. You can take a small amount of your transition color and use it to soften the darker color if it's too harsh. Using NYX Pigment in the shade Vegas Baby, I'm going to apply this to the inner third of my lid with a packing brush. This shade is very pretty and sparkly with this silver and gold pearl reflect. This would make an amazing highlighter as well. I didn't add a base beforehand because I wanted this shade to have a softer finish, but I'm experiencing a lot of fallout. Remember, don't forget to blend. For my eyeliner, I'm using NYX Matte Black Liquid Eyeliner. This eyeliner is one of my favorites. It has a brush tip which allows you to be more precise with your application. I'm going to begin by lining the top of my eye and bring my wing straight out, as opposed to at a diagonal like when doing a cat eye. Then, a tiny bit before the point, I will bring my eyeliner down, and this will form an empty triangle that I can fill in. Once done, I bring the eyeliner under my lower lash line halfway and connect it to the point. I will fill this part in as well. This will help your eye appear larger and give it that anime doll-like effect. Taking the Sunshine Yellow and Tiger Orange shade from earlier, I'm going to shade below my eyeliner with a pencil brush. I'm going to apply Covergirl Peacock Flare Waterproof Mascara to my lashes so that they're dark and blending with my falsies. You don't have to necessarily use this one and can use your favorite black mascara. I'm going to use Ltfly Sweet Eyelash for my falsies. I got these for $5.31 off of one of my favorite Korean shopping sites, YesStyle.com. I've already applied lash glue and let it stand 30 seconds to become tacky. I'm now applying the lash as close to my lash line as possible. Taking Laura Geller Big Gelato Swirl Illuminator in the shade Charming Pink, I'm going to add this color to the inner corners of my eyes. This will help your eyes look whiter, brighter, and more awake. Using the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, I'm going to use the shade Yara to contour along the sides of my nose. I'm going to use a medium-sized dome brush to apply it. This will help give the illusion of a smaller nose. Taking a blush brush in the shades Lena and Tao from the blush palette, I'm going to apply the colors along my cheekbones, under my eyes, and across the bridge of my nose. With the pointed powder brush, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my lip line, and my nose with the Laura Geller highlight from earlier. I'm going to place a thin line of highlight down the center of my nose so my nose looks even smaller. Don't forget to highlight your brow bone. For my lip color, I'll be using Covergirl Melting Pout Matte Lipstick in the shade Rebel. I'm going to place this shade in the center of my lips and blend it outwards with my finger. That way it has a nice ombre effect and looks more like a stain. Now I just have to go put on my hair and grab my sunnies, and this look is done. If you're wondering where I got my outfit and my accessories, I'll be listing everything in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you liked it and would love to see more, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you're not already, make sure to go and follow me on Instagram at O'Malley. I love you, Mally Cats. Until next time.